Another amazing discovery has just arrived. This time, this is the D300, which is a 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower Dynamic SE in the beautiful white with a full black styling pack on, 22 registration, which means the car has Land Rover warranty till 2025. With only 8,000 miles on, the condition is absolutely stunning. But remember, this is a D300. There's tons and tons of D250s and other models available, but the D300 really is the best you can get as far as engine output. Now, this has lots of great features on it. It is a new model car, so you've got the new styling to the headlights with the LED style daytime running lights. The black styling gives you the badges, the front grille, the inserts on the aerodynamic bumpers there, the front apron. You've then got things like front rear parking sensors, parallel park assist, and you have the full 360 view camera system. And that's brilliant, in high definition, so when you're manoeuvring the vehicle around, parking, etc., you can see every part of the car. As you come round the side, you've got the beautiful, again, high gloss black painted arch kit there, front and rear, 21-inch upgraded alloy wheels, again finished in high gloss black, with no curb damage, no corrosion or nothing. Currently the car is on access height, so it's nice and easy to get in and out of, but you have got air suspension, so it can raise itself no problem at all. Side vents finished in black, wing mirror covers, and then this particular one has a beautiful contrasting black roof, followed by the black roof rails. You've also got fixed side steps, which is lovely because they are fully functional. You can step onto it to get into the car. Comfort access means this little thing here. As you walk up to the car, as long as the keys are in your pocket or your bag, it will unlock itself. You get in, once you finish, you come back out and you just press that, the doors lock and the wing mirrors fold in. Sun protection glass, which is the blacked out windows, but it's that dual leather interior for me that makes all the difference. That light oyster midsection with a perforated leather seat, the white stitching, the black sections. You've got the captain seat for the driver and passenger with the armrest, and that new 11.4 curved glass touchscreen media system, which also gives you things like DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. It's such an up-to-date infotainment system. The new dials and textures around the climate control, which also gives you the heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen. Now, we're selling any amount of the Land Rover product, and sometimes we get into the habit of, well, it's got this and it's got that. But the front heated windscreen in winter time is absolutely brilliant because it's got that wire mesh lines built into the windscreen, so when you press the button, 60 seconds later, it's all just clear, and that's fabulous. Electric seats, driver and passenger, the aerodynamic entry kick plates, lots of cubby holes everywhere. Again, great texture to the split dashboard, top and bottom. Twin cup holders. You've also got 2 keys, and you've got the slide away compartment with more cubby hole space just down there. There's USBs and USCs all over the vehicle. Talk about hidden compartments. You press that. There's one more there for your glasses, your wallet, whatever it may be. Underneath the centre armrest, more USB and USC, again with more cubby hole compartment as well. This one has the double panoramic glass roof, but you also press this button and the top one tilts and slides back, which is nice because not all of them do that. Now remember, this is a Discovery, so you've got 7 seats, and it's a good size 7-seater. Lots of leg room and headroom for all your family and friends. Other things like ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, centre armrest comes down, followed by more USBs and USCs and 12-volt sockets in the back. But to show you how much space you have got, you can see clearly, being high off the ground, there's no tunnel in the middle, so every single passenger can sit comfortably with, like I said, tons and tons of space. And everything is good quality, and it just feels good. There's a good feel factor about these Discoveries. The engine sounds amazing. It's a nice, quiet diesel engine. The output's brilliant. But you know, when you're normally in a 4-wheel drive, sometimes there's a lot of body roll. It feels wallowy. Absolutely not. They're very sturdy vehicles. They're absolutely brilliant, to be fair. Do a cracking job. Round the back, you've got the new style rear lighting system. So the red light you can see there, the brake lighting system, is now at the lower level, used to be at the top level. And then you have the full LED rear indicators as well. Lovely black paneling round the back. Again, everything is color coded because if you remember the pre-densers, the previous model, a lot of this bottom section down the side and even the front, they had that plastic molded effect on it. This is all nice and painted, smoothed off, so it looks very well finished. Rear spoiler, automatic tailgate, and then there's your 7 seats. Remember, the 6 and 7 seat in this car is not just an emergency seat anymore. It's not one just for kids. They're full-size adult seats, lots of leg space. You've got the headrests there. If you're not using the seat, literally one handle and it goes down. The middle row seats can be electronically adjusted by pressing these buttons. So I'll show you quickly. One handle, That is more than enough space for anybody. Absolutely fabulous. Does exactly what it's supposed to do, plus more. Your third row passengers over here have their own compartments as well, with more cubby holes and the 5-volt sockets. Rear shelf to hide all your valuables. Automatic tailgate can be used off the key or press the button. There is no damage on the car, there is no dents nor scratches. I've mentioned already you have the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. At the minute, it is such a difficult task trying to buy a new car. With us, something like this, which is physical, it's in stock, it's here. If you like what you see, you call the number below, literally come and collect it. You've got the digital section on the centre of the dashboard there, the multifunction steering wheel, and then this one also comes with the adaptive cruise control, the lane assist, voice control, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. And just to show you one more time, what I mentioned before, you have the 360 camera system just there. You've also got the off-road one as well, where it looks like it's looking through the bonnet. And as for the media side of stuff, with your navigation, it's so simple. Points of interest, food, fuel, etc., garage, shops. The DAB side of stuff is very easy. Just a case of what you want to do and where you want to do it. It's that easy. Push button start, just arrived. One last time, D300 R-Dynamic SE with a full black styling pack on, with a dual leather interior, 22 registration, 8,000 miles. Going live now. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.